Hi, Nancy with Sew Original. This is another sewing for beginners video. I'm going to show you how to make your own suede elbow patches. These can be very expensive. These were only $6 for two, but usually they're a lot more than that. So what I did is I bought these, I traced it onto paper, and because I'm a perfectionist and I sew for other people for money, it was really important that I get it perfect. So the first one I cut out, I just put this down, I pinned it on Ultrasuede because Ultrasuede is washable and easy to sew on a machine with. And I cut it out. It's pretty good, it's not perfect. So I'm gonna try something else. So this is not actually a rotary cutting ruler, it's a pattern drafting ruler, but it's gonna work. So I laid the suede one down because it'll stick really well. And now I'm gonna line it up real carefully. And I'm using a mini rotary cutter, which is good because it turns corners better. It's bad because it's a crappy little rotary cutter I bought for paper and the blade is not very sharp. So I'm really having to kind of dig. So obviously this is gonna take a lot longer, and it's kind of an experiment because I wanna see if this one looks way better or way more professional, or if it doesn't. Okay, so this is going to be a challenge. I'm probably going to might have to turn my piece around, and you know, having all this crap on my cutting table is not helpful. Okay, there we go. Now we are back to almost a straight line just for the side. So that's pretty good. And then we're gonna come around here. So I'm turning around, and I'm left-handed, so this will look weird to everybody. Okay, so now I'm probably gonna have to completely block the camera. I'm totally doing this at the wrong angle, trying to make it easy on my cameraman. That's not good. Okay, I need to tighten it because it just fell apart. I'm about to cut through my tape measure, which my assistant did the other day, and I had to retape it, which was sort of funny, and I didn't really care. Now I have it too tight and it's not rolling, and this is a really boring video. But I'm almost done. Okay, so now I knew I was going to have to do some trimming. Had I had a sharp blade, that would have made a big difference, and it would have been a whole lot easier. So right now I'm just going to do this and this, and I don't think, even if I would have had a sharp blade, I'm not sure there's enough of a difference. And I'm thinking it's just as easy to use scissors. So my advice is to pin it. You can either pin it down and cut around the pattern, or you can pin it and draw on the suede with a pen. You might get it more accurate that way, because you can see now I have to do a lot of trimming, which I probably wouldn't have had to do if the blade was sharp. But so that's a way to make elbow patches. Any beginner can really do this, and you don't even have to do them out of Ultrasuede. You can use any sort of leather or suede. I just love Ultrasuede. It's expensive per yard, but since you only need a little bit, it's really a good value. It's washable and it's easy to sew. Stay tuned.